Hi, I'm Vince Mendillo, Senior Director of High Performance Computing at Microsoft Corporation. Today's announcement is an important step towards our vision to bring technology innovation to the mainstream. Traditionally, high-performance computing has been harnessed by only a select few highly qualified experts inside of large companies and academic institutions. Supercomputers have been intimidating for organizations and unwieldy for users. Meanwhile, the problem-solving power of high-performance computing has been beyond the reach of millions of workers and researchers whose experience, applications, and data are tethered to standalone, isolated workstations. Together, Cray, Dell, and Microsoft developed an end-to-end computing experience that is familiar and comfortable for these workers and researchers. Our priority was to keep technology out of their way so they can do their work.
And what we think we're doing with the iWS is to really reinvent the technical workstation, to produce a product that gives the workstation user a way to move up a substantial amount by way of the power and the resources they have available in their office, by their desk. And we think that community will really benefit from all of the integrated functionality that we've built into this product. So I think there's a large market, and I think the three companies really do bring an ability to solve the problems of that market in a very creative way. Well, Dell have a huge reach in the market. Dell are obviously one of the major players today and a huge aspect of the whole Microsoft Windows ecosystem. They have a large amount of experience in working with Microsoft and bringing solutions to market. Cray is bringing obviously our 30 years experience, plus of course we build the product and had the vision of how to integrate it. And Microsoft bring the combination of Windows 7 and HPC Server 2008. And we really feel a combination of these three companies and the combination of all the technologies that are built into this system really do bring a very powerful capability to the end user.
You know, it's a really exciting time for us because working with Cray's got the reputation in HPC. They've been doing this forever, working with some of the largest national labs in the world. And so a partnership with Dell brings some of that credibility with Dell. It also shows our commitment to a marketplace that's been pretty tumultuous lately. We've seen changes with Sun and SGI, but you see Dell's commitment to HPC and our relationships with companies like Cray. The Microsoft relationship is very important as well because many of these engineers and scientists have been used to using Windows in the past. And with this new product, they get to use the latest Windows 7, and they'll be using HPC Server in the back to do all the work on the cluster. That's a familiar environment to them, and Microsoft is doing a great job of helping them be more productive as well. The product that we're bringing to market really addresses a gap that is out there.
The explosion of data gives greater visibility into social, economic, and environmental issues. Now more than ever, there's a high-performance computing imperative because people need to solve problems by innovating. This announcement is an important milestone in Microsoft's long-term commitment to high-performance computing.